In this section, I'm going to show you how you can create a macro, or you can apply a macro whereby a macro will open another form based on the timer set on the first form. For example, I can say that let me use this form here. I'm going to use this simple form here. What I'm going to do, I'm going to set up a macro that will close this form, and then it opens another form. So what you do, you first create a macro that will close this form. So I go to it will close the order form. I go to create a macro, and I go to macros. What do I want to do? I want to close form, close a form. Of course, here it is showing close window. Which window? A form. And what's the form name? I want to close the order form. So we are creating a macro that will close that form, and once I do that, I say save, close order form. I say OK, and I close here. So of course here, once I click it from here, it does nothing, but what you have to do, you go and click on order form, right click here, and design. You go to design. So here I'm going to introduce something new. They are called property sheets. A property sheet is very important, where you set the timer. You go onto their formats, data, events, but here it is an event that we want the macro to run. This macro for order form, which closes it, to run after these are 2 minutes. They are measured in milliseconds. Once I'm done with that, I can save and close here. That after actually not 2 minutes, after 2 seconds, the form will close. And once it is closed, we want this macro. So you see, it closes the form. It closes it. Yes. So, but we want to go back to this macro and add there another functionality. So we go to design view. So we are going to add there another action. You see, come here and say now open. It's the same macro, but we need now to open a form. And we want to open which form? We want to open customer form. And that's the main information we need, and we save. So this macro will make the order form close and open. Will open a customer form. When you click on it, of course that opens that, but in order for us to illustrate it very well, you just click on order form like this, that after 2 seconds it closes and it opens another form, which is a customer form. You can listen to this video again if it's not clear, but I try to bring it out in a simpler way.